Former Major League Baseball pitcher Daniel Serafini is now seeking a retrial. His defense filed the motion today on what was supposed to be his sentencing. ABC 10's Roxanne Elias joins us live from the historic Auburn courthouse right now. So Roxanne, tell us about the mood. What were people feeling today?
Well, Laura, Adrienne Spohr, who is the daughter of Daniel Serafini's in-laws, who are the victims in this case, she was in the courtroom today, and you could visibly just see the disappointment in her face when the judge decided not to move forward with sentencing. Now, 4 years after her parents were shot, she and her family are now having to wait and see if there's going to be a retrial.
With respect to moving forward,
the long-awaited sentencing of Daniel Serafini came and went Monday as his defense lawyer filed for a motion for a new trial.
I definitely wasn't expecting a possibility for a new trial. I really thought it was going to be happening today.
Guilty.
Serafini was found guilty of murdering his father-in-law, Gary Spohr, and attempting to murder his mother-in-law, Wendy Wood. The two were shot in their Tahoe area home back in 2021. The new motion comes days after Serafini filed for a continuance in sentencing, saying the jury is biased and his lawyers were incompetent. Gracie Buttrick is one of the jurors who listened to testimony for 6 weeks and believes it's related to a comment she made in an interview after the verdict.
I know I made a comment of the certain look he gave during the verdict reading. My only guess that would be where he'd point to it if it was a misconduct situation, because that's a direct statement about him.
And despite seeking new attorneys before his sentencing, Serafini kept the same counsel. The judge is now considering the motion for a new trial. And if it's denied on October 28th, then he will be sentenced on the same day. Buttrick and other jurors believe Serafini is trying to find a loophole, but also that a new jury would find him guilty.
I feel like they're just dragging it out. I feel like that's hurtful for the family. I feel bad for the family because I read the previous statement that Adrienne had about it being a prolonging process of pain and suffering, and I feel like it just doesn't need to be that way.
A hearing is first scheduled for the end of the month, August 29th. Then a judge will decide if they want to move forward with a new trial on October 28th. I'm live in Auburn. Roxanne Elias, ABC 10.
And Roxanne, we know this has been such a long ordeal for all the families involved. Roxanne Elias, thank you for the update.